Hey there, this is Sid and today we shall solve a StrataScratch SQL problem. The title of the problem is Submission Types, the difficulty level is easy and the ID of the problem is 2002. So let's start by looking at the input table for this problem. The input table consists of 5 columns: ID, user ID, created at, status and type. Now the type can be one of many. For example, it can be refinance, it can be personal, it can be in school and perhaps several others as well. So the problem wants us to output the list of all user IDs which have at least one refinance submission and at least one in-school submission. So as you can understand from the problem, a user ID can appear more than once in the input table. For example, the user ID 100 has two entries, one of type refinance and one again of type refinance. So to understand how we are going to tackle this problem, I have prepared an Excel file where we shall see how we can understand this problem better. So this is the input table from the question. It consists of all the users with all the types. Now I have filtered this table to come up with this table where we have only users who have a type refinance. And again I have filtered this table to create one more table here which has type in school. So now our task is to find out the common user IDs between these two tables. So if you simply eyeball between these two tables, you can see that the user ID 108 appears in both this table as well as this table. So our answer will be 108. If you look at these two tables, the SQL approach to solve this problem will automatically suggest itself. All we have to do is perform an inner join between these two tables using user ID as a joining key. So the output of that inner join will contain the user ID that we are interested in. So here is the SQL query. I have put it in a Notepad++ so that it is easy to view. This left table of the inner join is created from the original table by applying refinance as the type. The right table of the inner join is again derived from the input table by applying in school as the type. And then I have performed an inner join between these two tables using user ID as the joining key, and then I have selected the distinct user IDs from the joined output, and that will be my final answer. So let me go ahead and run this query in the StrataScratch code editor. So here is the output and it is 108, which agrees with the output provided by StrataScratch. Thanks again for viewing this video. I'll keep coming back with more SQL problems from StrataScratch. Please stay tuned in. Thank you.